Hello, my name is Juan Gutierrez, and I would like to thank you for the opportunity to present to you our results of data analysis for small airlines. We took your data and we are now trying to answer three main questions for all the management team that is here today. First of all, is small airlines losing money in any specific area? The second question is where is small airlines most profitable? And the third one is if the new route between Chicago and Orlando is a good decision. So, what is going to the first question? What is small airlines losing money? The first important data we have is that the model B737, which is the most popular in the company, with 4,459 airplanes, is also the less cost efficient, expends more money per mile than any other model in the fleet. The B737 is spending $373 per mile. So small airlines is basically losing money with that model, and in particular in the route between Orlando and Salt Lake City, which is the one with less revenue, only 0.41% of the total revenue. We can analyze that route and also that airplane model are some areas of concern where small airlines is not being efficient and is losing some money. The second route that has less revenue is the one between Orlando and BYI. That one has the second lowest percentage with 0.96 of the total revenue. And the third one with lowest revenue percentage is between Orlando and IAD, which is Virginia, in Northern Virginia. So that is with also 1%. So those are the areas of concern around losing money. Now, going to the models, the ones that are losing most money are the flights 103, 149, 218, and 294. Those are the four flights that specifically are losing the most money. Each one of those flights has an average of revenue of $18,975. These flights in particular are between Orlando and MSP. So those are specific flights that are the ones with less revenue and also have an average price ticket of $115. Very low. So those are in general the areas of concern around losing money. What is the second question? What is small airlines most profitable? Through our analysis of the data, we can say that the flights 1,819, the flight 6243, the flight 8202, and the flight 8279 are the ones with more revenue, the highest revenue. Each one of these flights has an average revenue of $1,017,500, which is the top of revenue for any of the flights that a small airlines has. The average ticket for each one of those flights is $5,500. The routes with more revenue are the ones between Orlando and LAX with 963%, and the one between Orlando and San Francisco with 878%. So the top ones, again, Orlando, LA, and Orlando, San Francisco. Those are the ones that have the most revenue. Now, going to the third question, Chicago to Atlanta. Sorry, that's the right question. Chicago to Atlanta route. Is that a good decision? Through our analysis, we find out that the route is very profitable, and our projections are that 40% gross margin will be obtained between 2017 and 2021. So the recommendation is yes, it's a route that will be a good business, and we recommend it for small airlines to take. So, summarizing our data and analytics presentation today has answered three main questions. Where is small airlines losing money? Where is small airlines more profitable? And if the route